In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cookies are disabled error on Google Chrome step by step so you can get websites loading properly again without frustration. This is a quick and easy fix that can help when a site refuses to sign you in, keeps looping on a login page, or shows cookie-related errors, even though Chrome seems to be working fine. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple computer fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on how you usually launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu that gives you access to Chrome settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. Chrome Settings will open in a new tab. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls important browser options like cookies, site permissions, and security settings. Since the issue is related to cookies, this is exactly where we need to go next. Inside Privacy and Security, click Third-Party Cookies. In some older versions of Chrome, this may appear as Cookies and Other Site Data, but it will lead you to the same general area. Once you open it, you'll see the cookie controls for your browser. Next, make sure cookies are enabled. If the browser is blocking third-party cookies too aggressively, websites may fail to load properly or may not remember your login session. Select Allow Third-Party Cookies or choose the setting that allows cookies for the website you're trying to use. In many cases, this alone will fix the problem right away. After changing the cookie setting, go back to the website that was giving you trouble and refresh the page. You can press Ctrl+R on your keyboard or simply click the refresh button in Chrome. Reloading the page forces the browser to try again using the new cookie settings, and the site should now work normally. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to clear the existing cookies. Sometimes old or corrupted cookies can cause login problems or repeated error messages. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Delete Data. This removes the stored cookie files and gives the website a clean start the next time you load it. If clearing cookies does not fully solve the issue, the problem may be coming from a browser extension. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or cookie blockers can interfere with how websites store data in Chrome. To check this, click the three dots menu again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From here, temporarily disable any extensions that might block cookies, especially ad blockers or privacy protection tools. After disabling them, go back to the website and test it again. If it works, you found the cause. You can then turn the extension back on later or leave it disabled for that site only, depending on what you need. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are allow cookies in Chrome settings, refresh the website, clear existing cookies if needed, and disable any extensions that may be blocking them. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the cookies are disabled problem and get you back into the website without any trouble. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.